Pretty sweet start to your day. And yes, the coastal flooding advisory that we have posted is because strictly of tides, nothing that we're getting coming from the skies. In fact, these puddles that are out there, we would wish they were just rain because don't forget, this has some saltwater intrusion in there, so watch those puddles. Today, we're talking about a high tide at 10:15, 7.16 feet. Sunday, it's at 11:08 in the morning, and Monday, just afternoon. And there you see the numbers. Today will be the highest in terms of how high it gets, and this is basically the phenomena of the moon and the sun both tugging in the same direction that causes the tides like that, and technically slow down the Earth's rotation over the millions and billions of years. Here's a check at SFO. No delays happening out here. Meanwhile, we also have that freeze warning with us until 9, covering those inland areas up in the North Bay, off to the East Bay as well. Solano County not in that. It's technically a different forecast office, but also looking at some light little offshore winds work, and you're going to notice those more tomorrow. There's that weak collection of cloud cover when it gets here. Some scattered clouds overnight. Current temperatures well in the 30s over most of the district at this hour. There are the winds, just kind of breezy today, but they pop a little bit when we get into tomorrow at around the noon hour or so into the afternoon. They're going to hover much more so around Solano County and bleeding a little bit into Contra Costa County. Another little package you can see around San Francisco going right across the Golden Gate from the north and, excuse me, the east. So long-range forecast models, boy, does this look familiar. Is this reminiscent of the last few years or what? Yeah, it's been very dry. Little changes start to happen, boom, right there next weekend, and into the following week might be looking at that. This shows it migrating from the Gulf of Alaska. Another model run we see comes from the mid-latitudes and sort of takes the long touristy route. 54, San Francisco in the 4-zone forecast. Not a lot of variety going on today, even with the sunshine. Mid-50s at the coast. Same along the bayside, 56 for Foster City. Heading down south, looks like 57 San Jose, Milpitas as well. Actually, some of the warmer numbers to be found there. Also the middle 50s East Bay shoreline. Inland a little cooler here because we start off at a lower amount. So in the afternoon, it's hard to catch up, even with all this sunshine. Mid-50s, Tri-Valley, 54 for Walnut Creek and Danville, 54 Concord, 55 Richmond, Vallejo at 54. Sometimes with those offshore winds, you get a little bit of heating a bit. 55 for Napa and Santa Rosa at 58. Bump those up just a little bit for tomorrow. Same kind of program, mostly sunny, popping at about 61 or so. Upper 50s near about 60 expected all week, but these lows, because it's drier, it's going to be more like winter. So we're talking about a lot of 30s on the board there too, with 40s at the coast. Stephanie.